Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be a product review, and recently I got this helmet from TVS. I had somewhat like this kind of helmet long before from SMK, but what I saw this time, this helmet is quite a lot better finishing than what I found in SMK. Even the cover material is a lot better than what they provided from SMK. Let's open this up. Now see, this is what I actually wanted to reduce the wind noise on my voice. यहाँ पे जो finishing मिला है इस helmet में, it's quite amazing. Even in here in front in the mouth area, ये covered है. I think it is foam material. तो इसमें भी covering है. ये भी फ्लेक्सिबल रबर मटेरियल जैसा है. चेक दिस आउट. These stickers were given by them extra. We had to stick it up in the helmet, which I did it myself. There's also a pin lock here. The finishing, the padding, the entire build quality seems a lot better than the one I had from SMK. तो भाई ये खरीदने का इरादा इसलिए था क्योंकि before I used to use this helmet from Steelbird. It's very light, very less padding. तो क्या होता है, ये बहुत अंदर ऐसे से हिलता है. The biggest problem was that यहाँ पे जो air vent है, यहाँ पे जो air vent है, तो ये सब बंद कर नहीं सकते थे. There was no lever to close these vents. I have put black tape over here on this duct, on this duct, on this duct. तो टेप लगा के हवा को बचा के रखे थे. But the problem was that यहाँ पे जो गैपिंग है वाइजर का इधर में, इधर से भी काफ़ी हवा आ जाता है. So it doesn't come up when I am under 60 kilometers per hour. लेकिन जब भी 70-80 क्रॉस करता था तब बहुत हवा चलती थी, तो सारा आवाज़ माइक में आता था. एंड दैट इज़ वाई आई गॉट दिस हेलमेट दिस टाइम. आई पुट द माइक ऑलरेडी इनसाइड. तो आई यूज दिस सोनी लेवलियर माइक, समवट लाइक दिस सोनी. सो क्वालिटी तो बिल्कुल सही है माइक का. द ओनली प्रॉब्लम वॉज दैट इस तरफ से हवा जो चलती थी, वाइजर का ऊपर से जो हवा चलती थी इस स्टीलबर्ड का हेलमेट में, तो उसके वजह से बहुत वॉइस क्रैक होता था, अनवांटेड नॉइजेस भी आते थे. तो इसलिए मैंने ये हेलमेट खरीदी. आई हैव पुट अ ब्लू आर्मर माउंट दिस टाइम. अर्लियर इट वाज समवट लाइक दिस. तो ये दिस वाज नॉट वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल, इट्स रिजिड. सो आई हैड टू यूज सम एमसिल बिलो because it was not flexible and it was not fitting the mic. But here this Bluarmor mount fits very well because the whole plastic is a bit flexible. I've used a GoPro mount, ulta karke lagaya hai, but it works better. Let's put on the GoPro in my helmet and go for a test ride. Alright folks, welcome back to my motovlog setup. As I have already mentioned, I bought this helmet because with the previous helmet I had trouble with high speeds. So in this video I'll be doing a bit of high speeds, not much, just enough so that I can test the helmet. So folks, let's start the test of this helmet. I've also not tested the camera angle yet, so I'm not sure if everything is showing up properly. We'll have to check it once I stop and start editing. Going 80, this is where usually the problem starts. I've closed all the ducts, air ducts, and I can feel no wind inside at this point of time, but I'll have to check the sound as well. Right now I am in 4K resolution with hyper view angle, and frames per second is 60. I'm not going very far, it is only for the test, so I'll be returning back to this route only. Previously I compared this helmet with SMK because quality wise I found this helmet to be a lot better, and price wise SMK was much more expensive than this. I got this in 3500 something, and SMK costed me nearly 4500. I got that helmet long back. It doesn't even exist with me anymore. I don't know who took it. I haven't even brought the substitute battery for this camera, so जहाँ पे बैटरी ख़त्म हो गया समझो वहीं पे मेरा वीडियो भी समाप्त हो गया. Doing high speeds again. Okay, let's speed up again. I wanted to do a lot of POV, beautiful roads I've crossed, but not a single POV of this bike. The only reason was the wind noise inside the helmet from the gaps of the visor. That's the only reason I couldn't do any POVs. Let's see what this helmet has to provide. Okay, I won't be going any further. This is all I needed to test. strange drivers in Duliajan area. They want to overtake on a turn. Okay, finishing off the video here itself. If you like the video, do hit the likes button, share it with your friends and families as well, and do stay subscribed to get such contents.